We're talking today with Marcia Waters, Compliance and Investigations Director for the Division of Real Estate for Colorado. Welcome to the show. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Want to talk about brokers staying out of trouble. So this is just tips for us to, keep our nose clean, so to speak. I was wondering, because this is discussed a lot in our firm, agency relationship disclosures. Is this like one of the #1 ways agents get in trouble?
It's not. We do see it occasionally. It will be something that we find during the course of an investigation when the complaint has been filed against a broker for other behavior.
Okay.
It's more of an administrative error than...
Yeah. How about the top 3 places that agents are getting in trouble?
There's mortgage fraud.
Yes.
There's disclosure issues.
Okay.
And there's criminal convictions.
Oh. Tackle the last part, if you would. Could you elaborate?
With the license law, there are certain criminal convictions, and that means if the broker is pled guilty, no contest, or been found guilty to certain crimes, that constitutes a license law violation in and of itself. And for the past 3 years, we've been requiring fingerprints at the time of renewal. We've been finding out that brokers have been having run-ins with the law and subsequently getting convicted of crimes that constitute license law violations.
Okay.
So that in and of itself is a license law violation, and the failure to report it to us is a license law violation.
Okay. Had they reported it to you, what's the course of action?
Typically what happens, depending on the nature of the crime, most brokers get a diversion with a $250 administrative fee.
Okay.
So it's not formal discipline.
Okay.
The ones that fail to report it are likely to get a public censure and a $500 fine.
Okay. But you're not out of the business. You can be.
As long as if it's real estate transaction related,
yeah,
or it's a public harm crime like sexual assault, homicide, that most likely the commission is going to vote to revoke your license.
Yeah, I imagine that would do it. I know for me, we've had a tremendous more amount of paperwork because of short sales and foreclosures, and no one was talking about short sales and foreclosures. How much more paperwork has that heaped into your office?
Well, with the new forms to cover the short sale issue, hopefully that will just fully educate the participants in those transactions. Prior to that, we had a lot of people that were facing foreclosure, went into a short sale agreement with a broker, did not understand the transaction, and everything just went awry. So hopefully that will lighten our investigative load as far as complaints are concerned.
And this is just an opinion. Do you like the change in law on the foreclosure with the different redemption periods and so forth?
You know, I have enough to focus on with our statutes.
Yeah, right. You don't need more. Thanks so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Find more real estate videos at brokeriptv.com.